Alright guys, too late to turn back now. That's that Eck rotor with the bent shaft. I couldn't get the pin, I couldn't knock the pin out, I couldn't get it out, so I'm going to end up having to machine this shaft out of here. So I just cut it off on this end. I'll have to drill it out. I'll have to get all this off. This is the piece with the pin in it. And I just could not get that pin to come out. You can see where I've been punching on it with the punch, trying to knock that pin out. This is just a little old collar right here that comes off of from the shaft. So we'll get that machined away down to these laminates right here, and see if I can't get, once I get past that pin right there, I should be able to press this on out, press it on out that way. So we'll take it from here. Y'all stay tuned, more exciting stuff coming.